Hello there, everybody. Good day to you. Let's do a real quickie. Got a 2008 GMC Sierra. It's a 2500 HD 6.6 Duramax. I made a video about this thing earlier about the install of this Amsoil bypass filter. I want to let you guys know I've actually relocated this filter one more time. I moved it up much more. The first install preliminarily had these filters sitting down right about here. And you were right, it was too close to the ground. Once I let this thing down off the rack, I didn't like it. So I cut my little welds off and unbolted that unit and moved it again. It wasn't really video worthy because it was easy, but I wanted to follow up with you and let you guys know what I had done. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna do a real quickie on this truck. So let's fire the thing back up. Starting the engine. What we're doing here, we're almost done with all the project work on this, but what had happened was, according to procedure, usually what we do when we bring a vehicle in is we'll put the window down. That way we can't inadvertently hit that door lock and somehow lock ourselves out of the vehicle. So it's usually common policy to go ahead and crack a window. Now, being it's 100 bajillion degrees in Florida right now, when we've been hopping in these cars, it's about 140, 150 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale in the interiors. So naturally, as we hop in, we've been dropping down. That one's not working. We're lowering down the rest of the windows to create some airflow through here, right? Look what I've done. Look what I've done. That doesn't go up. And that one goes up, but now that one works kinda, but now it doesn't go back up. See that? We have an issue with the window. Now, my consumer thought that we just had a window regulator problem because it would go down and not back up from both switches. Now, we're gonna cut straight to the chase. Like I said, this is a quickie. It's not a regulator because we've got multiple windows that are experiencing these same symptoms. See how that one doesn't go up right there? But if we give it a reach, it'll go up with that one. So my quick instantaneous diagnostic skills have indicated to me that the window switch right here inside the driver's door module, is what they officially call it, that guy is faulty. I don't believe it's the regulators because when we first found these windows stuck down, we had to pull the door panel off and we just switched out the polarity on the motor, sent power and ground straight to it, and the thing ran back up. If that was the case, if it was the regulator, that would be the motor in the regulator and it wouldn't go up, it would only go down. But since that's not what is happening here, it leaves me to conclude that the regulators are not the issue. Additionally, you usually you don't find where more than one regulator failed at the same time. It doesn't mean one regulator didn't fail and then no one did anything about it for X amount of time, then another regulator failed. So that's also a possibility. Some quick testing with voltmeters will pretty much eliminate. No, you're good, man. I'll stay right here. Quick testing with voltmeters will, nope, you're fine. Don't worry about it, you're good. Quick testing with, I'm gonna get around to saying this. Quick testing with voltmeters will let you know if you're receiving power and grounds to the connectors of your regulators. We did not do that. I'm not gonna do it on camera. Instead, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pop this window switch unit right out of here. We're gonna throw a new one in because they are available in aftermarket land. And once that guy's popped into place, we can watch these windows do what they're supposed to be doing. I wonder if I can get this out without taking this this thing apart here. Let's fire up the AC. It's hot. We hot. Come here. Oh. Okay, that goes there. Got a 10 and a 10, but I don't recall if I have to pull that handle off or not to get this switch out. We're gonna do it anyway. It's just a 10 millimeter. Got a semi-wobbly 10. Look at it go. Woohoo! Unclickage. And should be one down at the bottom. We're just gonna go for it blindly. I know it's down there. Hello, darling. How nice of you to grace us with your presence today. Well, good. There we go. Got that guy off. So it's not one whole master switch. The image is elusive here. We've got a couple devices in here. There's the lock-on-lock switch right there. Then this one is the window lock, not the door locks. And then the individual buttons for each individual window. Up here, the top one, that is the switch for the power mirrors. power mirror control. So anyway, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this center section here, and we're gonna pop in a new one that has been ordered. One of my situations where I feel like throwing the cheapo part in it is probably more effective than sitting here for an hour and a half with a voltmeter. Now, I did make that error of hubris when I tried to diagnose a speedometer issue on that truck over there. We threw a speed sensor in it as path of least resistance, and then at the end of my test drive, I had found and confirmed the problem. So I put in what I thought was going to be a positively affecting variable, and then at the end of the day, that's what I need. Then at the end of the day, that variable helped me prove myself wrong. So back to the drawing board with that one. I will leave a link down to that video in this video's description. Anyway, let us pop this guy right out of here. It's got multiple little tabs on it. See those little guys right there? Got to get under one, get under that one, get under this one. Oh, come here, you. Gravity. That's 3. These are kind of tough because they like to pop back into place as well. Check that out. Now here's the coolest part. I come prepared. We're not waiting on parts stores today. I had a pocket switch in the pocket. So we take said pocket switch. What do you guys think? Should we just plug it in and install it and then see if it works, or should we plug it in and see if it works before we click it all into place, just in case I'm super wrong? Because I got a habit of being wrong. I think we're gonna go with option B, because why not? We'll plug it in first. Inquiring minds want to know, am I right? Window up on left front. Window down. Right front. Here, all one frame. Window down. Window, oh, we got it. Hello, part-time, what's good? He was late. I just got him embarrassed. Window locks off. Right rear down. Right rear up. Or that's left rear, I'm dumb. And then right rear over yonder, down and up. See, fixed it. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes you get away with this kind of stuff. Because I don't like the idea of charging this guy an hour labor to diagnose this thing electronically to prove something that is highly suspect that I can narrow down using processes of elimination. And that's the tactic that was employed here. It's called process of elimination. I eliminated based on probable factors. Put that guy in. Oh, you can't put impacts on door panels. Evil technician. Yeah. Ah, come here. No! If he just used one hand, or 2 hands, I know. But then how would I film this? See? Got a particular set of skills. Gotta hone those things. And then this guy right here, that just kind of clips in. I'm surprised it's not broken yet. These things broke when you looked at them. Hinge it on, slide it up. It's upside down. No, it's not. What is problem? I do not have ability to install plastic thing. Oh, I see. It's got multiple stages of clips. See that one? That one goes there. There we go. Got it. Recheck. Windows up and down. Good. See, I'm locked out. This one up and down. Look, this one used to be taped. That probably had a failed regulator once. Let's check the right rear. The right rear. Okay, that switch is not working back here. See that? Oh, see the wiggles? That's the switch problem right there. That's a bad switch. But if I, come on. All right, it only goes down on this side with the right rear switch, but this one, maybe it needs more switches. It better stay working. Okay, at least it works with the driver switch. Okay, so yeah, I could recommend 2 more switches, but the thing works now from the driver's point of view. I'm not gonna sell this guy extra switches unless he wants them, because they are $75 a piece. Too much monies. That's our unit right there. Junk, goodbye. See, that's another issue with voltmeter diag on such a situation, is you have multiple parts that are not functioning like they should be. It's gonna put you in a real bad spot to diagnose, because you're assuming that there's only one failure in the system. And in this case, what we're looking at, 3 failures in the system. That switch doesn't go up. That switch doesn't go up. When we started, that one didn't go up from that switch, and these 2 did not go up with that switch, right? Is that where we were? I'll have to go back and look, but I know that now they go up and down with the driver's switch. Reason being is the driver door switch module, that's the master bus for all of the data lines and power lines for the window units here. So if this one goes down, they all go down. We can't run these units without a properly functioning master driver door switch. So anyway, guys, I think I'm all done with this one. Let me know what you think about my non-diag work on this window switch business over here in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check the description for the aforementioned other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. In a video, into GMC Sierra 2500 and a Duramax into transmission.